gift lovers, let me give you a very quick hack that can change everything in your gifting experience. And what is that? Personalization. As minute you think this is, it can change your entire gifting experience. And I want you to not take this for granted. You see, personalization is everything. It's a game changer. And what exactly is this? This is simply customizing that gift item to suit your recipient's preference. Tailor it in such a way that it suits them. As little as sending your heartfelt messages to them, inscribing it on your gift item can change everything. You can simply use their picture, their name, or you just put your heartfelt message. As simple as you think this is, I mean, it can change everything. So do not take this for granted. To further buttress my point more practically, here are few personalized gift items I will talk over for better understanding. Here are some personalized mugs printed with the name of the recipient. There are different names here: Stephen, Divine, Uche, as you can see. Next up are some wooden plaque. This is so unique. This time around, we have the picture of the recipient and your heartfelt message, the heartfelt message of the giver of this gift. This is something very unique. You see what personalization does? It changes the game. Come on, you don't want to joke with this at all. So this is something you can also do. The picture and your heartfelt message can be inscribed, engraved on your gift item. Next up are some personalized sport bottles. I really know you love what you see, and then you would be applying this. And here we have some beautifully personalized mugs and spoon with the receiver's name or picture. And finally, we have this key holder with the giver's message or the recipient's picture. So with all that you have had so far, I know you can attest to the fact that personalizing your gift items makes all the difference, turning ordinary gifts into lasting memories. And this is something you would want to start applying immediately. Don't forget that you can always reach me for your personalized gift packages with the link in the description, and do well to subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss out on more gifting ideas. Turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified when we drop a new video. For the next gift that you'll be giving out again, don't forget to personalize it. Please do customize it before giving. I'm Faith, your giftpreneur, and of course, I believe that every gift is a masterpiece.